melted marshmallow and fruity note. How I described it, honey, that's what I get. But this, oh, so good. This is so good. Highly recommend you get this. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into my top 5 fragrances from my April tray. So if you're interested in seeing what were some of the things I was rocking this month, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, hi, new family. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. We're going to get right into this real quick because they up here cutting trees and the noise, if it comes in, I got to getting is good. Like I gotta go. Okay, gotta get this done. So first we have MontBlanc Signature. Let me tell you, somebody did come up to me and compliment me at work. And unfortunately, I did that like non-think moment. I just kept saying MontBlanc. I could not think of like Signature. I could not think of the full name. I wasn't trying to gatekeep. I just really could not think of it. But I was rocking it. This is definitely an easy reach, quick grab and go. Like, I don't have to think about this. If I want to smell good, if I still want to get compliments, but if I want to smell creamy good, like this is such a good option for anyone to wear. Now, I would say this leans more on the feminine side. Males, you might not like this. It does give you a little bit more of a creamy feel. But let's get into the notes. So top notes, we have clementine, magnolia, ylang ylang. We have peony. Base notes, we have vanilla, white musk, and benzoin. This is so pretty. Highly recommend that you get your hands on this if you can. My sis Chi doesn't like this fragrance, but I do love it. So you might like it and you might not, right? But if you can go in stores, I know at our Dillard's that they had this available, so you can like sniff test this. So try to sniff test to see if you like it. If you do, this is such a quick grab and go brunch anywhere you want to go. This will be your best friend in my opinion. Moving on. Next up, I have Mancera Holidays. Honey, I got a compliment and it was I've never heard of this compliment before. This girl came up to me and she said, "You smell like Christmas."
It's Christmas time.
I was like, really? Like, it was such a shocker because it's holidays, but I've never had anybody tell me I smell like Christmas. That was so brand new and a compliment for me with this fragrance. Mancera Holidays, I love this. To me, this gives me more of a coconut. So I don't know how she got Christmas, but it gives me definitely a creamy coconut flair, very tropical. But this is so good. Honey, I was rocking this so much this month. Like when I say I was reaching for this absolutely a lot of times. Like this was so good all the time. And it's loud, projecting, heavy, long lasting, everything you want this to be, it is. Let me give you the notes. So we have top notes of coconut, bergamot. Middle notes, we have terry flower, ylang ylang, and C notes. Base notes are vanilla pod, sandalwood, and white musk. Honey, this is so good. Highly recommend you get this. If you don't have this, I really enjoyed this out of the Mancera collection. If I were to have a top 5, this would be in my top 5. I will kind of have some rankings. And we'll go in deep with Mancera because I want to give you all some like collection videos too of what I have from Mancera or other collections that I have. But if I were to rank, this would be on the top, okay? Highly recommend this. Enjoy this immensely. And clearly, if you smell like Christmas in spring, summer, all the better. Highly recommend. Moving on. Boy, do I have a combination for you. If you like Kayali Eden's Juicy Apple, please try to get Michael Kors. And this is the Wonderlust Fresh. This is so good. Highly recommend. This combination together is amazing. Fresh, apple, fruity. Like, I loved this combination. You talking about a spring, summer, put you in your place. Put them down. Put it down. I don't know. If you talk about something that is oh so good and you want to shut them down when you walk in the room, this is so good. Now, this is not projecting. This is definitely a fresh, very calming, close to skin. But honey, if somebody is nuzzling up to you, if somebody's giving you a hug, they are definitely going to smell you. They're going to be like, oh, you smell very good. Okay. So this is highly recommend. Was rocking this on my tray. This was oh so good. Moving on. Side note, again, if you all hear the trees cutting down and the if y'all hear all that, I'm trying to go in between that. So it's probably going to be a lot of editing and cutting in this one because, look, listen. I'm trying to get it done. They being real disrespectful on this side of town. I know we gotta get this done, but I don't know what to do. Okay, we still gotta get this done. Moving on. Okay. So we have Joe Malone, and this is Mimosa and Cardamom. I just got to get a big bottle. This will probably be one of the, eat my words, because I'm always like, Joe Malone, no, I'm not going to get a big bottle because, it doesn't project or last long and blah, blah, blah. I don't, spending all my money on that. This Mimosa and Cardamom is good. I love it. Spring, summer, really anytime. This is so good. Highly recommend you get this. Let me give you some of the notes. Okay, so we have cardamom, mimosa, and tonka bean. That was it. So this is so good. Highly recommend you get your nose on this. I mean, this like all day, every day. I can be in this all day. This is so good. This is so good. You're going to see this in another video that I have coming up, but this is amazing. Get this, and I'm going to get another one of this, okay? Because you see this, I'm going to get a big bottle this time. I'm just going to eat my words, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, honey, we got Marshmallow Addiction from Zara, okay? I've talked about this a time or two of 20. Y'all know this is going to just be on the everlasting rotation for the spring, summer. I love this. They now have it available on Zara, so you can get it again. Now, how I described it with the sunflower, the marshmallow, melted marshmallow, and fruity note. How I described it, honey, that's what I get. But this, oh, so good. This is so good. Highly recommend you get this. And this is affordable. Get this. Don't miss out on it this time. Just get it. Just get it. Okay, just trust me for a moment and just get this. Okay, Marshmallow Addiction is not going to be like this very gourmand way that you're trying to go, maybe because you hear the marshmallow, and this is not no dupe of Oriana or anything like this, but get this, or Love Don't Be Shy, or whatever you want to throw out there. This is so good and it stands alone.
It is what it is.
I highly recommend. Honey, you can wear this date night, day. Well, not date night. Maybe date day. Brunch out with the girls, just easy breezy. This is a work from home, very good fragrance, and I love this, okay? Honey, I feel like I'm running a marathon talking because I'm trying to beat all of this cutting the trees. Whoop, baby. This is probably the shortest video I ever done in my entire channel life, okay?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Thank you.
Well, that's all, family. That is all for my top 5 fragrances from my tray. And what were you rocking the month of April? I would love to know. I know you were smelling good, okay? I know all y'all were smelling good. I would call all your names out from my family that's been talking to me, but I don't know if y'all want me to call y'all names out, but y'all been smelling good. Okay? And I mean, Side note, while they're not cutting the trees, you know what? I will tell you all my biggest pet peeve that I do not understand. I'm just going to go left real quick, right? When you're in a beauty store and, I know we have our own, like some people, need a little bit of guidance in, washing or, not everybody has the same level of, knowledge or, I don't know. Everybody doesn't have, this money, that money, whatever the case is. I will tell you, if you are in a Sephora, I'm thinking you have a little bit of coins to be in a Sephora. If you are in an Ulta, I'm thinking you have a little bit of coins to be in an Ulta. I think my biggest pet peeve when I go into a beauty store, and I'm just going to say this because I've got to get this off my chest. Why do we got to be musky going into the beauty store? Like, I just don't get that. I just don't get it. That's one thing. If you are in an Ulta or a Sephora, why do you gotta be smelling musky? Why I gotta be smelling a little bit funky coming into I just don't get that. And I don't know, maybe comment down below. Maybe I'm just being too hard on the people because I'm trying not to be. But I just don't get that. Like, can we put on some deodorant and then go to the beauty store? I know we just woke up from the bed and we was like, we need some brushes or we need some makeup or we need some fragrances. And I'm just going to get up and go into the beauty supply and not take a shower or a bath or something. But I just think if you go into them areas, can you just please do me a favor and the entire community that is up in that Ulta or that Sephora and shopping with you or beside you, can you just do us a favor and just do they used to call it a whole bath. I don't know if I can say whole on this platform. YouTube, please forgive me. But it used to just a little scrub, a little 1-2, definitely the arms in the private area and the neck, and behind it. Just get the little moments that the sweat come from. Okay, just do a little digging, just a little bit. If you're not going to take a whole shower or bath, okay? For us. Thank you. Well, that is all, family. That is all for this video. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.